You are going to love the 2014 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, power door locks, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.